Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my Arduino activity, which is 7 segment display. First, we have here the code. We need to create or declare the variables like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, DP, which is decimal point, and assign those digital pin like 765, etc. to the that is connected to our Arduino. First, after that we need to set up. So so this loop right here, I'm in condition. So this will, if this loop will be true, or this condition will be true, it will increment by 1 each time, and then it will start at the 4 pin, and then it will end at the pin 11. And then we need to, after that loop will be true, we will set the this pin as a output. After that, we have to create the display. So we have here digital 1. So this function right here will display number 1 on the segment display. Basically, it will turn on the segments B, I, C, and B, which will form the right vertical line shape of number 1. And then we have here a loop to turn off the other segments as long as the decimal point will be turned off. Next, we have here digital 2 to display the number 2 on the 7 segment. It will turn on the segment A, B, D, E, and G to form the shape of number 2. And then the segments C and F along with the decimal point will be turned off. For digital 3 function, this will display the number 3. It will activate the segment A, B, C, D, and G to form the number 3, and then the segments E and F are turned off. For the digital 4 function, this will display number 4. It will turn on the segments B, C, F, and G, and then the segments D, P, A, E, and D are turned off. For the digital 5 function, you have here a variable and a sign car. So for j is equals to 7, j is less than or equal to 9, so j plus plus. So this loop will be executed. So this output will be executed also. So the A, C, D, F, and G will be turned on, and then the segments B, E, and the decimal point, which is DP, are turned off. For digital 6 void, this will display the number 6. It will activate the segments A, C, D, E, F, and G, and then the segment B and DP will turn off. For digital 7 function, this will display the number 7. So it will turn on the segments A, B, and C only, and then all the other segments are turned off. For the digital 8 function, this will display number 8. So it will turn on all segments A to G to form the number 8, but the decimal point or the variable DP is turned off. And then after we create the functions, we have here, we need to loop it. So we have here loop function. Inside of that function, we will just call the 8 functions like digital 1 to display the 1 to the 7 segment, and then after that we have here a delay of 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. After that, it will display the digital 2 function, the display number 2, and then a delay 1000 milliseconds or 1 second, so on and so forth up until digital 8 function. In the next clip, I will show you the output